Hi babes, welcome. If you're interested in knowing how to make this design we have at the front of our hair, keep watching. It is so easy and yet it looks so cute. We are going to be dividing that section into 4 equal sections. So for the first section, you put it away. For the second section, you braid it straight to the back. For the third section, you braid it straight to the back. And lastly, for the fourth section, we are going to leave it as it is. So now we are left with the first section and the fourth section. Those sections, you're going to share them into 2 halves in the opposite direction, so the front side and the back side. And then when you braid, you're going to braid the front of the first section into the back of the fourth section, and then the front of the fourth section into the back of the first section. So you're going to watch us do that, and that is going to crisscross the first and the fourth braid over the 2 middle ones, and that is how we got this design. I am going to let you watch and you properly understand what I just explained. It is so easy, just watch.